This 5-minute solution will show you how to fast forward reels on Instagram. Follow these easy steps to do it. As you can see, I'm watching a reel, and to fast forward this reel, at the bottom of the reel you will get a slider, as you can see. So all you have to need, just you can drag the slider like this to make the reel fast forward, and this is how we can easily make a reel fast forward. And note one thing, that all reel doesn't provide this slider. So as you can see in this reel, here is no slider at the bottom of this reel, but this reel has the option, so I can easily fast forward this reel. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.